some confusion that some people have said in comments previously, it is not a can of chew in my back pocket.
That's gross.
It's the freaking lens cap, guys. Oh, jeez.
Get going.
Let's get going, family. Wait, where are we going?
On to the next adventure, I would say.
Are you ready to get your litter box back? All right, off to Myrtle Beach State Park. Woo! Let's see.
Is it a long drive?
5 minutes, so I don't know if we're gonna make it. Campsite 198.
Is it pull through?
No.
They have 198 campsites here?
They have 300.
Wow. Howdy.
Afternoon, how are we doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Last name Hanks?
So you have reservations?
Yes, please.
Have you ever been here before?
No.
Just go down the road here. When you come to the split, go left.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good time.
Yeah, you
Thank
too.
you.
Have a good time. I'm like, yeah, you too. Do you ever do that where you like checking in, they're like, have a good time, and you're like, yeah, you too? Oh,
Well,
you have to say,
no, it's usually when
oh man.
they give you your dinner and they're like, enjoy your meal, and
Yeah.
you're like, you too.
You too. What's up, everybody?
How we all enjoying Myrtle Beach?
We all ready to party? Woo! Big bump. Woo!
Wow, the gray tank just fell out.
Oh, there's that pier.
There's that pier, is right.
It appears to me that you can peer over there. What? Okay, you just said follow this road, right?
Yeah, he said something about you cannot miss it, but I have a feeling we're
gonna miss it.
Just, ow, wow, I can't read them out, bumps.
Why are they gonna make them so aggressive?
Dexter is still napping.
Oh, incoming.
Slow down, Turbo.
Those darn electric bikes.
Let these people cross. They have a very important duty of going to the beach. I don't blame them. Let them go.
Hi.
They're probably like, that size rig in here? No, it's not going to work now.
And we're gonna be like, yes it is.
You have to back in. We have to pretend like we know what we're doing today.
No, only if I choose to.
Oh, they have a ramp for you to go up over there.
Oh, let's send it.
Yeah, do it.
All campers stop here. You know what? I'll do what I want. I will do what I want. Okay, I'm stopping here. Carl can't do anything right. I had to get Nene to check us in. They can't find us on the reservation site, so she's looking on her phone. So hopefully that they can find us a spot. I don't know. When in doubt, Nene will find it out. Fingers crossed, even though these didn't work last time. Fingers crossed. What happened in there?
Carl,
What'd you do?
you're supposed to tell them we were supposed to check in yesterday. And we
Oh,
didn't.
I forgot. Because of the snafu with the gray tank?
Yes.
You're gonna blame that on me right now? I'll accept that today, but today only. You hear me? Today only.
Oh, Dexter, what are we going to do with your father?
No, I don't want to hear. I have a hard job to do here. I gotta drive.
Take one off and put the next one on.
Those things just build up like...
We should collect them.
No, no, absolutely not. Are we taking a right here?
Oh, dang. Take a right. Yeah, take a right.
Almost screwed that up. Whee! All right, everyone off the road.
They said this place fills up like really fast, so you have to, if you want to stay here, you gotta book ahead of time.
Why do you think state parks fill up so fast all the time?
Not all of them, it's just the popular ones. Like this is a popular one.
Oh, because we're at... That makes sense.
Myrtle
we're in a
Beach.
tourist destination.
Yeah, the ones in the middle of nowhere aren't too bad. You're not running over anyone's animal, are you?
Not yet.
Okay.
He's tight.
Ooh, it is tight in here. Oh,
Dang.
oh, they're all gonna watch us. Let's see, we made it.
Wow, there's a tree there. That's not good.
Babe. Is that our site? It
This
is.
actually-
Looks like a campsite.
Get out.
Okay.
I love you. But go, can you back me in?
Hello.
Hello. This is if we can't back into this, then we gotta just quit the RV life. Okay, actually, now you just go straight back because we want to hug this left side.
You just like bossing me around or what?
You're going too far passenger now. You're pushing it on the passenger side.
Oh, you just complained about it.
I did, yeah, but I didn't say go that way. I just said we're getting close. Okay,
You can see what I have to deal with out there.
perfect. Right there is good.
Look at like your husband done this before.
Ugh.
Oh, honey, that's amazing.
Well, listen, you know, the camera battery's gonna die. Luckily for the audience, they don't have to hear you much more. Not bad for our first time with the new
Not
gray
bad for
tank.
me, because you are just Miss Bossy Pants. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. It was a joke.
All right, let's set up. High five.
Let's get this done.
It's an exciting day in the Hanks household because we're gonna show them a trick.
Oh, great.
But first I'm gonna do some cleaning up and prepping for dinner. This might be an after dinner activity.
Is it gonna be a fun one, or is it gonna be like you say activity, like it's gonna be a good time?
To me, it's gonna be a good time.
Okay then. So we made it to Newberry, South Carolina, and we get in here and Nene's already on a cleaning spree. I mean, every single time we pull over, lately, you've been on a cleaning spree, like clean, 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 clean.
It is the best time. Hear me out. Stop what you're doing. If you're eating, put your fork down for just a second.
Can I drink? Can I sip?
You don't need to listen to this.
I just want to
because
sip.
you'll forget anyway.
Oh.
Arriving or departing, like when you drive for the day, is the best time to clean your RV. And some people like to do this before they leave, but I like to do it when we get here because I'm more at ease and I'm more in like the cleaning mood. And it's just easier because the countertops are already cleared off, so I just get everything like all spick and span up.
Wow. A little spit and shine, huh?
Yeah, spit and shine.
I don't know about you, Nene, but every time we're at a campground, everyone's pulling out. Like, we see checkout time is 11, and we're like, are you serious? And then we get out of our camper, it's like 9 in the morning, we feel like we're ahead of schedule, and then, of course, there's already people pulling out. Like, everyone has to be out by, like, 8 in the morning. They're just like, they look like they got their stuff together so well.
Yeah.
I guess basically what I'm asking, is it just us that feels like we don't have our stuff together, or do you two also look at everyone else and feel like, man, we really don't have our stuff together? Put the knife down, lady.
Listen, I'm cleaning and no one could stop me.
I said put the knife down.
I'm gonna start marinating some Cajun chicken for Cajun chicken sandwiches.
Okay.
So while it's marinating, I'll finish cleaning.
See, this is the problem, honey. We're supposed to be relaxing tonight.
I have a drink. Like, this is fun to me. I'm having a great time.
I am not having a great time. Put the knife down, lady. You're crazy.
I'm pretty sure all the neighbors think we're having a dispute. And now
for sure.
And now they are probably gonna call the police. But it's just Carl and Nene. Like, if people around us knew who we were, they would understand. Like, if we parked next to y'all watching this, you'd be like, oh, it's Carl and Nene.
Who cares
I don't
about
need to
them?
call the police, or should you?
Yeah. Hey, Stinky, you did pretty good today there, bro. Did you tell everyone how good you did today? You're a good boy. Give kisses. Good job. That was a good kiss.
I just saw somebody, like, walk by and, like, look, like, I think they had to look to make sure there's no, like, blood gone everywhere.
You really think so?
Well, they did a walk by.
Hello?
Great, we're that couple at the RV park.
You know what also has been amazing me? Is you guys have been like, you're always creeping on what's in the background. You're like, did anyone see that bug that time we were fixing the AC?
Oh my gosh.
Or like, they're like, what do you have written on the whiteboard on the fridge? Or like, are you guys not focused on our faces here? You're always looking behind us, aren't you?
They're the best.
All y'all out there comment and be like, hey, did anyone else see what? What do you want me to see?
At 9 seconds?
9 seconds microwave when we do the newscast video?
I can't wait.
Guys, like, what's gonna happen if something, like, crazy pops out? Like, I just don't know what you guys are looking at. I try to clean up in here, but... Are we good?
All of our secrets will come out or something.
What secrets?
Yeah.
What secrets? Are you flattening the chicken?
Yeah.
Oh my god, watch your fingers. Goodness.
Hey.
Well, that's not creepy at all, lady. Oh my goodness.
I just flattened it too much because you guys are distracting me.
This is what I'm married to, so yeah. Send help.
Broke your chicken. That's okay.
Dude, that's my chicken, bro.
We're just gonna pretend it's fine.
Wow, you really just letting her rip on the chicken, huh?
Well, I hit it too many times because I was trying to make you guys laugh. So you're welcome.
I don't even think I asked you the question. What are we having for dinner tonight?
We're having.
No, don't say I didn't ask, because I didn't ask, did I?
You did already.
What?
I'm gonna start marinating some Cajun chicken for Cajun chicken sandwiches.
You asked, what am I doing? And
I always forget about that. Just in case you guys were wondering, because I know you guys are always like looking in the background, we got ourselves a new scale. So this is kind of cool. You hit on, you go between pounds and fluid ounces, milliliters, grams, kilograms. Pretty all snazzy there, hey?
what? I fell asleep.
Wow, really? Okay, yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be blast. We are excited about being in Pigeon Forge, yet another place that everyone's like, you never been there before, and I'm like, no, I haven't. It's crazy, I know. It happens, but most people think you could just travel full-time in an RV for a year and see it all. Not happening.
No.
By the way, I'm having an old-fashioned right now. Just, I knew that's what you were wondering. You're like, why is there an orange and a cherry in this guy's drink? Well, I'm trying to keep it classy. I think I am. If you want me to whip you up one, let me know about it in the comments. Okay, I didn't mean like let me know about it right this. There's already 15 orders in the comments. How am I supposed to make this mini old-fashioned? I gotta go. I gotta run to the store. I guess I'll be back. Everyone wants. They still waiting on breakfast from the other week from you.
A while ago, we still don't have anything.
And whose fault is that?
I'm all excited about going to Dollywood. Do you think we can try to go Wednesday? I know that's your like editing day, but maybe we'll get the video done.
I want to go to Dollywood too, but you know what? I gotta edit.
We should try to go to Dollywood on Wednesday.
Try to go to Dollywood. How can I say no to that face? Oh, goodness.
Here's the scoop. A couple months ago, I put these like flexible, really cheap cutting boards you can get at Walmart. They're either like placemats or cutting boards. I'm not really sure. But we heard of this tip a couple years ago, right?
Yeah, and I'm gonna say real quick that they're really chintzy cutting boards. Please continue.
You got it, Carl. So everyone said when you build up frost in your freezer, instead of like chipping or what's that called? Like chipping, slicing, cutting. Chiseling away the ice and using a blow dryer and going through that whole fiasco, which we did before.
Yeah.
They said just put those mats in the back and then all you have to do is peel the mats off and the ice comes off with it. So we're gonna see if this is legit because we put these mats back there like what? Back, I think we were in California when I put those in there.
When's the last time we cleaned this stinking thing out, huh? Whose responsibility is this?
I just discovered I have extra ground beef and that's cool when you find it's like finding $5 in your
Was
pocket.
the ground beef like layered into the ice on the back of the freezer? Like you like chiseled it away like a hidden gem? No, that's cool, Dexter. We'll get it. You just relax there. Go.
Okay, you're gonna miss this.
Alright, let's do it.
Okay, let's take step 1. Establish your orientation.
Okay, wow.
That's always my step 1.
Awesome.
Okay, here's it. Look, do you see what it looks like? I can't get it!
If they place it on the back there, they're not saying it's easy to grab, but...
No. I have no idea where we heard this tip. Probably on the YouTube. Many, many years ago, and it took us so long to finally do this.
What's the matter?
I feel like we should have a bucket ready, because I feel like once this comes off, it's gonna just, like, I'm gonna be like, to the sink.
How's that go again? Nicely done.
I'll put it in the link in the description.
That deserves a high five.
Just kidding.
Get it?
Why do you pick on me?
It's a never-ending battle between the both of us.
Okay, ready?
Okay, we're ready. Hold on, let me get in here.
Okay, I got a grip on it, sir.
Oh, whoa. Oh! It's so scary. It's like something's back there.
Okay,
Is it working? Are your hands cold?
Well, you're in my way.
Mine are pretty toasty, actually.
I'm gonna hold because it's gonna... Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Wow.
Look at that. It all keep... Whoa.
Oh. It's icy.
It's very icy. We can go have a snowball fight and see, like, everyone will be staring at us outside.
Awesome.
Look at the back of it now.
Wow. It's like it's untouched.
I know. Like, this actually works.
This actually works. Why didn't we listen to people more often in the comments?
I don't know. Well, no, this is... we heard about this, like, before our YouTube days.
Oh, what?
We did.
Why did it take until our YouTube days to start doing this, then?
Why did it take how long for us to figure out how to use auto level?
Next question. I won the next question. Order in the court. You're really going at it in here, aren't you?
I'm using the cutting board to just
Easy, tiger.
chisel.
Wow.
Well, I mean,
That's against
the
rules.
There's some built up on the sides now.
Oh, well.
Now this is great. We could just put this back on and bada bing, bada boom. Snow, let it snow, let it snow. It's so
super
cold.
Really? You want me to take over?
Yeah.
Dry your hands off there. Then you can have everyone else's heart in your hands, okay?
Okay.
This is our peeps, and this is their heart looking at us.
Well, nice to meet you. Come here.
You gotta have warm
here.
hands. Jeez, sorry.
Is
She's
this good?
You're aggressive. And no one appreciates that.
Yeah, you do. Okay, go get it, Carl. FYI, Carl hurt his ankle. As Carl's personal nurse, I'm very exhausted. You know, a lot you have to take care of with him. It's cool.
Okay, I'm done. Ooh.
It's cold.
It's cold. Dexter, you want an ice cube? Okay, ready? Good job. Check this out. 3. Oh, man. Supposed to be like my rebound here, bro.
Well,
Who's gonna clean this mess up later?
did you need like an assist on that or what?
I'll get it.
Wait, we have a scraper that's plastic. What if we use this plastic scraper?
I don't want to chance it, Nene. I don't want to chance it.
Why?
Because my middle name's not Chance. Timer's going off. Laundry. Yeah, I'm gonna call this good.
So you just put that back in,
Bammo.
and then it's ready to go for next time.
It's literally good to go.
So like it
I think
doesn't.
that's fine.
And it's weird because you have to like push this thing, that like tray thing,
Yeah.
to hold it in place, and it seems like it's not going to be good because
What, this one? This one?
Yeah, and it seems like it won't be good, but then it is good.
Get in there. Oh, there we go. Look at that.
Wow. Except that, no, that has to be on the other side.
What do you mean?
Because the ice cube tray goes right here, and this is going to block it.
Snapper pop. Up, down. There we go. The hardest part was like getting a grip on it, would you say?
Yeah.
And then once you got the grip, it took a tip. Then all the ice cubes came and took a dip. I want my ice cubes cold.
This is exciting because now maybe it'll keep our ice cream cold.
Maybe.
A build-up of frost in your fridge or freezer is going to prevent things from cooling properly. So just a heads up, it's no good after a while.
Why?
Because then it's just constantly refreezing like the frost instead of freezing everything else. I don't know if that's the right answer. But all I know is after a while when frost builds up, you have to like defrost it and get it off. But these cutting boards work really, really nice. It's very satisfying when
Oh,
it
there
comes out.
it is. Oh.
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 It's a little sound.
Oh. Yeah.
Wait, be careful because it's going to come flying at you.
Don't threaten me with the good time. Okay. Oh, it cracked. The board cracked.
No.
Whoa. Whose idea was this?
It's having a field day. Oh, honey.
Look, it's stuck to my hand. This is exactly what you don't... There goes my finger. Oh,
That's
no.
it. That's it. Uh-oh.
No, it worked
Wow, look at it now.
All done. Okay, so we have a minor crack. And a more important question. Do you want to kind of go with the cherry blossom this time? Or should we incorporate more of like a nice tabletop piece with the flowers and the mason jar?
I think the mason jar feel is good for like the left side.
And I love your opinion, and I really appreciate that. But let's take into account what everyone else is saying too. Yeah, they totally agree with you. We're gonna go with the mason jar this time.
Okay, I knew it.
Look at these hands. These
Wow.
are working hands. Okay, work to the bone, ice to the bone, all right? Don't say I don't do anything for you, because I love you. I love this family. I do it for you.
And then I'm gonna, like, as a reward, I'm gonna cook you dinner tonight.
Wait, wasn't that part of the deal already? Okay. I'd say that's good. Call it good. Meatballs, anyone?
Uh-oh.
Oh my goodness. One project to the next.
Oh dear, what is that?
What? Is it time to eat cheese? Oh, are my hands too cold for you? Okay, no, that's fine. Can Dad just get some peace and quiet once in a while? You know the routine. I want full kiss and cheeks to the floor. Thank you.